Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I've got a pretty sizable order from Michaels. I've got one bag here with one skein of yarn that for whatever reason they shipped separately. And then I've got a giant box over here that it's too big to keep on camera. So I will open that up and show y'all what I got. So let's see. Okay, this is the this is the first yarn I got. It's called Bloom Chunky from Premier. And actually I thought this would be a chenille. It's not chenille, but it's not, oh, I don't know what that is. That is interesting. Anyway, I don't have a lot of I didn't buy big quantities of any of the yarns that I got. It's just because I wanted to try out a bunch of different yarns, and I have not been able to get myself to Michaels. And also, the Michaels by me is kind of small, so I just ordered stuff online. The other thing is, in the big box, I've got some anniversary Caron cakes, and those I don't know. I was not confident that I was going to be able to walk into my Michaels, my tiny little Michaels, and get something. So let's see what's in the big box. The first thing I see in here are the big anniversary cakes, and they are indeed huge. Here we go. Here's the first one. What is this called? Oceana. And I was able to get these on Michael's website. I don't know. It was weird. I went on there looking for these cakes, and they had them for sale. And so I placed my order, and then a couple of hours later, I went back in just to see, and they were gone. I don't know. Well, at first they were just like not available, not even for shipping. And then the next day I checked and they were just completely gone from the website. So I don't know what's going on with these, but I managed to get two. And I was kind of nervous when I saw that it said not available for shipping online, that they're going to cancel my order, but they didn't. So this is the first one I got. I only got one of each. I got two. So I got Oceana. And I mean, those colors are gorgeous. This yarn feels so soft. Is this a 5? What? It's a 6. Okay, it's a 6. I've heard it's quite splitty, but that's okay. I have a project in mind, a blanket project in mind, that I think I'll be able to use both the colors together, the two colors that I got. Anniversary cake. Oh my god, these are huge. Berry Ripple, this one is called. How beautiful. I'm having to squish it down so I can show it in the camera. I suppose you can kind of see it that way. Ooh. Ah, beautiful. So I think these two colors, can I even get them in the same? Oi, band, go back on. Oh, I think that'll work for my pattern that I'm thinking of. I'm basically going to do half the pattern in one color, half the pattern in the other color, and then I'm going to do the edging in opposite colors. Loops and threads charisma. And that's interesting. That's interesting. That does not look like how I expected it to look. I'm not hating it. Maybe this will turn into a blanket. Like I said, I ordered this because I wanted to try out a bunch of the Michaels yarns because I have not been, whoa, Pimmy. I have not been in the store in so long, and I was not going to make it. So I figure I can just go into the store and return it if I don't like something. So that's interesting. I'm going to put all the individual smaller skeins down next to me. Let's see. Okay, it looks like I ordered the same one in a different color as well. Actually, those two colors look quite nice together. I'm glad I ordered this lighter one too because it kind of shows off the tweediness a little bit better. Um, yeah, these are nice. Squashy. Squash, squash. Those are the three so far. Let's grab another skein. Okay, all right, I am going to move these. Impressions acrylic. This one's called Amethyst, and it's a 5. That's interesting. Another one is not quite how I expected it to be. Sort of like this one. Ooh, this one's definitely softer. This one is interesting because it's very squishy, but it's also very not squishy. If that makes sense, the Bloom Chunky. I'm gonna have to work that one up to see how it goes. These colors looked prettier online. I'm not gonna lie. This might be a return. All right, let's see. Oh, it looks like I got one other color of that Impressions. Yeah, this color is much more like what I expected it to be. I mean, they're both beautiful. This one, what color is this? Color IP19. That is not. Oh, saltwater taffy. Saltwater taffy. This one's quite pretty. Looks the same. But I ordered it mostly for this blue and pink swirl right there. That was quite pretty. Okay, another Impressions. Oh, I guess I ordered 3 different colors. Because this one is not. Oh no, it is like this. It's just the colors are not as contrasty. The color changes. Interesting. I actually quite like this. This would make a nice cozy blanket. I may have to get more of this for blanket purposes. Once I finished all those other blankets that I've got in mind already. I really like this color, I'll be honest. This one's nice. Root Beer Float, this one's called. Oh, I love the name too. Root Beer Float. That one's quite pretty. Put you over here. And it looks like one last gain. Oh, they are. The Skinny Chenille. Ooh, this is nice. And I wanted to get one of their chenilles because I wanted to see how it compares to Hobby Lobby's chenille and some of their other stuff that I've been working with. This one's called Tigerfish Multi. Yeah, I definitely ordered this one for the color. That's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And this is a size 4. I may try, this actually feels quite nice. I'll have to see how it works up. I may order the non-skinny chenille next. This is beautiful. It's such a huge skein too. How much is it? How many yards? It does not say. Oh, 460. That's a good size. Yeah, very nice. I like it. I like this color a lot. So anyway, that is my huge haul. I don't know how much of it is actually fitting in here. And of course, I've got the 2 giant anniversary cakes. Anniversary cakes. Oh, yeah. Okay, well, with my current setup, there's no way to show everything at once. But I'm so happy with my haul, and I'm looking forward to sharing the projects I work on with these. So, yeah, I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.